What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm introducing my boyfriend Israel, and I thought this would be really funny. We're doing the black face mask, so we just put it on. I'm setting the timer for 20 minutes, so in 20 minutes you'll get to see us peel it all off. I'm super excited but kind of nervous. We had a little tragedy where he almost got his eyebrows
and my beard.
And his beard. He had to wipe it off. It was so funny. But I think y'all are going to love this video and y'all are going to laugh as much as we will. Are you ready? Alright, we'll see you in 20 minutes. Bye! What's up, guys? We're back. It's so dry. So we actually left it on for probably 20 extra minutes because his face was still wet and I was setting. So I hope that was a good idea because this is dry. Like, look, I'm smiling. Alright, let's start peeling it off.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to get my eyebrows.
Your eyebrows are fine. Okay, so I was eating, so this one's already gonna peel off easy. Because it was kind of peeling. Ah, that feels good. Maybe scoot back a little bit.
Oh gosh, I got my nose hairs.
Scoot back a little bit. The camera can see. I know this. Okay. Look at you. Look at the camera, babe. Look at you.
Dude, look at this.
What is it?
That was my nose right there, look.
Pull it back. Oh my gosh. Oh! I got my hair in here. Oh, this definitely is the worst spot, my forehead.
No.
Ouch! Ow, ow, I got a piece of hair.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Babe. Wow. Yeah, this is disgusting, guys.
You have to look up towards the camera.
This guy's fucking disgusting.
Okay, guys. Do y'all see this? Look! Oh my god. Crazy stuff all over our face. I don't want to get my eyebrow.
Oh
I got
god.
the hair.
I got a whole bunch of pieces of hair. Oh. Oh.
So I have a mirror behind the camera. That's what he's focused on.
Oh. Oh.
All these little pieces I can't get off. She's a makeup wipe, huh? You want one of those makeup wipes? Or one of those face wipes?
Look, if only I had this outline for my beard.
I got my eyebrow.
Just peel it all off.
Oh, I got some eyebrow here.
Wow, my nose.
Wait, hold on. Oh. Okay. So, we peeled it off. We did it. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, let me be honest with you.
Excuse my mustache.
Here. We're going to use a face wipe and try and wipe the rest of this gunk off and rejuvenate our faces because, man, that felt great. Oh. My face feels so much better. Does yours?
Wow.
It feels clean, huh? This boy is still looking in the mirror. Scoot back a little bit. You're so funny. His first time on camera. So I definitely recommend using a face wipe after this because it definitely helped me get the rest of this the little stuff off. Oh wait, hold on. Jesus. Okay, so FYI, we are using the Bella Professional Detoxifying Intense Black Peel Off Mask. This is what it looks like. We got it from Target. It was $2.50.
$2.99.
$2.49 to be honest.
$3, dude.
Pull this up. Hold it up. Hold up your mask.
This one's yours.
Is it? Oh yeah, because mine was bigger. Here, switch. Little nose holes. Oh my god, you can see my little nose holes. I don't even know where to begin. Hold it up.
No, this one was yours.
Yeah, because I didn't have it on my nose.
Yeah, this is
These
yours.
are the big nose holes.
This is mine right here.
Yeah, I peeled mine.
Dude, look at how much crap I pulled out.
Dang. I got a lot of blackheads, babe.
Everywhere.
Look. This one was my nose.
I don't have so many blackheads everywhere. What is this, hon?
See. Blackheads. So, I hope y'all enjoyed our peel off black face mask. It was definitely really fun. My face feels so good afterwards. I feel like I need to do this like...
I think you meant black face peel off.
Oh, is that what I said?
No, that's what you should have said.
No, my black peel off mask. So, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for being in my video. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the little pink button there. He's already leaving. Bye, guys. Daily nighttime skincare and makeup removal video.